Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today will be an unboxing video. So I ordered something from eBay, which I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna open it and get right in. I'm kind of looking for this online. Kind of hard to find now. So, oh, I see it. Hold on. Stupid scissors. This is. Holy cow, this thing's tiny, but it's lots of detail. It's Barf and Belch from How to Train Your Dragon. Holy gosh, look at the detail on it. Let me get out the wings. This thing's tiny. But finally, it's one of the rare ones, I think. So, Barf and Belch from How to Train Your Dragon. I think this is from when the first movie came out. Jeez, this thing's tiny. So, hold on, I got one that I got a Hook Fang plush that released around when How to Train Your Dragon 3 came out. He's bigger than these two. Then I have a other plush, which I got from when the first movie came out, but he's way bigger. So yeah, this thing's tiny. This is toothless, by the way. Oh yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This thing's cool. So this is Barf on the left and then Belch on the right. So thank you guys so much for watching this little unboxing video. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.